Imagine this. One quiet evening, you're sitting at your desk, your computer screen aglow, and a simple question pops into your mind. Could I really learn programming with zero experience? Really picture it. The digital world, vast and mysterious, stretches before you. You've heard about coding titans and Silicon Valley successes, the lure of lucrative careers, the promise of innovation, and that burning question, what if you could crack the code yourself? I'm going to take you on a journey, not as a distant expert, but as someone who once stood exactly where many of you are, uncertain, curious, and a little intimidated. Today, I'm shedding all the secrets, the struggles, and the victories that transformed a complete newbie, yes, that was me, into a digital creator. Act 1. The Big Why. What's so special about programming anyway? Here's the secret. In 2025, learning programming is no longer for the chosen few. It's for you, for anyone willing to start. Why? Well, programming isn't just a job, it's a superpower. Picture landing one of the top-paying jobs in the world with endless options. Imagine waking up and tackling problems in ways you never thought possible. It rewires your brain, making you a logical, creative force. But there's more. Programming fuels innovation. It lets you transform crazy ideas into real apps, websites, and games. Want independence? Programming is the language of the future, and every industry is hungry for people who speak it. Let me ask you, if you could create anything, an app, a game, a digital marketplace, what would you build? Act 2. Demystifying programming. What are we really talking about? Story time. The first time I looked at code, it felt like alien hieroglyphics. Here's the truth. Programming is just how humans instruct machines, turning our logic into a language computers understand. Picture binary, ones and zeros blinking in darkness. But thanks to high-level languages like Python, JavaScript, HTML, all the complicated stuff turns into readable sentences, almost like magic. And let's bust a myth. Computers aren't mystical minds. They're loyal followers, executing your commands. Learning to code isn't about genius, it's about learning to talk to machines and see your ideas come alive. Isn't it funny how something so intimidating is really just a conversation, only with a computer? Act 3. Revealed, the 7 biggest beginner challenges and how I mastered them. Now comes the part nobody likes to talk about, the real struggles. I call these the 7 dragons of learning programming. But guess what? Each dragon can be tamed. Dragon 1. No hands-on practice. I once buried myself in theory, devouring tutorials, but when I tried to create something, blank. Here's what saved me. Building real projects, even simple ones like calculators or to-do lists. Seek out platforms designed for projects. Each small victory boosted my confidence. Practical tip. Pick a mini project tonight. Experience is everything. Dragon 2. Lack of support. The loneliest moment? Debugging alone at 2 a.m. But online communities like Stack Overflow, Free Code Camp, and local coding groups changed everything. Suddenly, I had allies. Question for you. Who could be your coding ally? A mentor, an online forum, a friend? Find them. Dragon 3. Language barriers. I struggled to learn from non-native resources. My breakthrough came from joining local your language speaking groups and using translation tools whenever stuck. Tip. There's power in learning together. Search for a native programming community. Dragon 4. Resource overload. Endless resources can drown you. The secret? Choose 1 or 2 reputable learning paths. CS50, GitHub Awesome Lists, or structured courses. Stick with them. Challenge. Unsubscribe from scattered tutorials. Go deep, not wide. Dragon 5. Flaky free material. Not all free courses are equal. I learned that quality trumps quantity every time. Blend premium content, when possible, with the best free stuff. Lesson. Don't fear investing a little, especially in your future. Dragon 6. High costs. When costs piled up, I searched for official documentation, think Python docs or W3 schools, and hunted for discounts or even scholarships. Practical challenge. Tonight, look for scholarships or discounts on your favorite platform. Dragon 7, certificates, the wild card. No degree? No problem. Certificates show you're serious, but projects prove your skill. Build a digital portfolio, contribute to open source. Internships and practical experience matter more than paper. Action. Upload a simple project to GitHub. Your digital resume starts now. Act 4. The Hero's 7-Step Guide from Zero to Programmer. Now here's the Hero's Roadmap, the playbook I wish someone had handed me on day one. 1. Master the fundamentals. Picture yourself as a digital detective, learning variables, control structures, algorithms. These are your magnifying glass and clues. The better you know them, the smarter your solutions. Don't skip this. 2. Choose your first language wisely. Which superpower suits your quest? Python is famously easy and versatile. JavaScript rules the web. HTML and CSS are the canvas and brush for digital art. What excites you? Websites, AI, games, mobile apps? Let your passion guide your choice. 3. Discover your niche. Not every coder is the same. Are you drawn to building websites, mobile apps, games, cybersecurity, data science? Try a day or two in each realm and listen to your gut. Challenge, explore, dream, sketch your own specialty. 4. Leverage top resources. Here's what I found invaluable. Codecademy, Udemy, W3 Schools, CS50, and YouTube stars like Mosh and Abdurrahman Gamal. Read Automate the Boring Stuff with Python and Eloquent JavaScript. Mix and match. Never stop at surface level. 5. Practice with real projects. My biggest leap came when I built and shared real things. GitHub became my stage. A simple website, a mobile app, a hackathon entry. Each project was proof of my growth. What project do you wish existed? Start it now. 6. Seek support and collaboration. Tech isn't solo. Reach out, network, attend webinars or local meetups. Collaboration brings fresh ideas and lifts you through challenges. And the thrill of solving a tough bug together is unforgettable. 7. Embrace endless learning. Tech never sleeps. Stay curious. Subscribe to newsletters, tackle coding challenges on HackerRank or LeetCode, and embrace each setback as a learning opportunity. Summarize that? Learn, choose, explore, practice, network, keep growing. Act 5. Landing that first programming job, the underdog's triumph. Now here's where everything changes. You don't need a fancy degree, just proof of passion and real projects. Build your portfolio. Put every project, big or small, on GitHub. Network like your career depends on it. It does. Target entry-level roles: junior developer, web developer, game creator, cybersecurity analyst. Use job boards from AngelList to GitHub jobs. Prep for interviews. Practice technical and soft skills. Remember, entry positions can pay $50,000 a year or more. That's your future, within reach. Take a moment. Can you visualize your name on a developer badge? Act 6. Lightning Round. Frequently asked questions. Let's tackle what everyone wants to know. Easiest programming language? Python, for its clarity and versatility in web and AI work. How long to learn? Basics are 3 to 6 months. Mastery, up to 3 years. Consistency beats speed. Need a tech or math background? Nope. Just logical thinking and commitment. Can I learn at home? Absolutely. Most successful coders started solo, armed with curiosity and YouTube. Is coding a good career? No question. It's stable, high-paying, and always in demand. Quick recap: Python is best, consistency wins, tech passion outshines any formal degree. So here's my challenge to every listener. The code to your future isn't locked. It's right in front of you. Your journey from zero to programmer is alive with stories, challenges, and triumphs. Every struggle, every late-night bug hunt, every step forward is a badge of honor. Don't wait. Choose your language. Find your niche. Build your first project. Be the hero of your own tech adventure and let the world see what you'll create. Ready to start coding your future? The digital world is waiting for you. Go make something amazing. See you in the next episode.